When a decision was made, it was always made in the best interest of the people that we served. It was not a matter of Hamot coming first, it was a matter of the people coming first.
You lead by doing. You can't expect people to do what you're not doing.
A leader is somebody with commitment, 100% commitment to the cause of their organization.
The ability to lead really depends on people trusting you and your integrity. And I would say every single person I've been involved with has really displayed incredible integrity.
Leadership is being able to do the difficult job of creating consensus where a consensus may not be there. And then once you move forward, once you make a decision, never looking back.
As I think back to those early years, Ted Junker, Royce Tonjes, Bruce Ramey, Greg Baldwin, David Zern, these were people who preceded me who had no difficulty in making sure that I understood the responsibilities that were required of a Hamot board member.
I think that the one common thread that ran through all of the leadership was a Hamot first. No matter what the parochial interests were of the board, we coalesced around the fact that of placing Hamot and its employees and its constituents and its patients and its physicians, placing them first in terms of priorities.
Hamot Health Foundation leadership has been unbelievable. There have been so many people over the years that have had such a huge influence on my life. Bill Connor is an example, Dave Zern, another example, Jim McBriar. There are so many people that served the community, all of whom made their living here, and all who wanted to give back. And I'm just one of very many people, the wonderful people in our community that people don't even understand or often know about. But they don't do it because they want to be known. They do it because they want to make a difference.
During my tenure on the board, I looked at each one of our board chairs and really respected them for their leadership qualities. And nobody can deny John Malone the just due that he deserves for his vision and leadership for his entire tenure at Hamot. I would also recognize the chairman of the board just prior to myself, Phil Garcia, for very strong leadership through some difficult times as well.
I would say the common leadership characteristic that I've seen around that boardroom table is just a total belief in Hamot's mission and a total buy-in to do the best for the community we possibly can, as members of a board. None of us ever thought we were the most important people there by any means. Most important people there are working, at 2 in the morning and with patients. But we all thought we had a responsibility to help as much as we possibly could, move this terrific community asset forward.
So leadership is trying to get all the ideas to the table and trying to bring those ideas into a comprehensive plan and to move on the plan. And when everybody participates, I just think we always have a better result.
The
think it's really been about the board, though. I think at the end of the day, the board has hired the right people, they've had the right people in place, and then they've given the freedom of the chief executive to hire the right people on his team. And I think it's really important to recognize the board leadership. These guys do this work and ladies do this work for free, and it's not like they get paid to do this. And so they show up, they do their homework, they make the right decisions, and they support the decisions that they make, and they let us execute them, and that's really the key to all this.
Leadership to me really means the ability to take a group, have them help set a direction, drive to deal with things that are difficult, and have everyone feel they're part of the group. Every mind, every opinion matters, and to bring that into one common set of decisions and overall direction, most importantly, that's a real skill. And I think that's what it's really all about. Hearing all those voices come into a room, have everybody debate it, your ability to bring that process so everybody feels part of it. When you leave, you're one united voice with a much better decision than you would have been on your own. A really good leader brings out the best in others. And I think UPMC Hamot has been very, very fortunate in having a number of people who are my predecessors, previous chairmen, who have really done an outstanding job in that. And UPMC Hamot in Northwest Pennsylvania is better for it.